Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today we're going to be talking about the Freightliner Cascadia CPC4 ECU. We're going to be going over what issues you might be having with it, how UpFix can easily repair this, and lastly we're going to be talking about how you can package it to ship it to us and how we ship it back to you. So the issues with this particular ECU, I'm going to open it up here. You can see the inside of it. And the issues that it has is primarily with the gas accelerator pedal. So the first one is failed throttle control. Second one is no response from the gas pedal. And with these codes, FMI 8, accelerator pedal 2 signal missing. FMI 4, accelerator pedal supply voltage failed low. FMI 12, CPC Hardware Failure. And FMI 8, accelerator pedal signal 1 missing. Now also another symptom might be where you might not have any codes if you're using a particular scan tool, but if you're having any of the symptoms where you're pressing on the accelerator pedal and it's not going anywhere, then this might be an actual fault of the CPC4 module itself, because they are known to fail. So once you've confirmed you have those codes, go ahead and mail it to UpFix and make sure to carefully secure it in the box. Our technicians at UpFix will expertly repair this and ship it back to you and notify you every step of the process. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave some comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And if you want to have any more information discussions, join our community forums.upfix.com. See you next time.